The big boys have positioned themselves for safety. The easiest way to look at a chart in the simplest terms is by thinking in offense and defense. Today you could see the first hour of the day the price sold off, the bears sold off the market. So their offensive line, the playing field is here, their offensive line, and the bulls defended, their defensive line was down here all day, which is the 5-day moving average. You look at this chart and you could see that the bears are in control. The bears have the ball. This is a bearish structure. If the bulls wanted to take over, if this was going to be a bullish structure, the bulls would have needed to close the cup today. The bears would have defended. There would have been liquidity built. And then the bulls, if they had the power, could take it out. And that would be a bullish structure. We're in a bearish structure today. So we are looking for shorts. The easiest trade to take is to go with the trend. Always swim with the stream, the current. Never swim against the stream. Up current. It makes it a lot harder, right? So any trades you're looking for, it's always best to wait until you see where the bears are defending today, which was about right here. Great opportunity to go short. The trade is fast and smooth as you're trading with the trend. You always want to trade with the trend. So this is a bearish structure today. You see the playing field, the defensive line. The bulls have been defending. Once you see them defend once, twice, 3 times, you have a good idea that the bulls are going to defend this area. So if you did want to take a long, you would want to take a long at the support level to go long and get out really quick, because you know you're trading counter trend or against the trend, against the bears. The easiest trade is always with the trend. So bearish shorts. Just a quick video on how to look at a chart and determine the structure. Is it bearish or bullish? And then you look at the defensive lines and the offensive lines. Where are they being defended? And then you look for the right trade, the simplest trade and the easiest trade. Tomorrow, the Supreme Court will provide their opinion on Trump's rulings, on Trump's tariffs.